Hi everyone, this is another tutorial video about one of the databases you can use through the Foxburg Free Library. This one is called Hoopla, and Hoopla lets you check out a lot of interesting things like music, movies, TV shows, comic books, manga, audiobooks, and ebooks. So first, we're going to try to find it. I'll start on the Foxburg Free Library page and go under online resources and then databases. The first thing that pop up under databases is Hoopla, so it's pretty easy to find, and I'll click on that right now. So if this is your first time using Hoopla, it will make you sign up for a free account, and I'll show you how to do that right now. So just click Get Started Today, then you'll sign up with your email address. You'll confirm that email. You'll create a password, confirm that password, and click Agree. So under Choose Your Library, you'll notice that Foxburg Free Library does not actually appear. Instead, you're going to be clicking on our partner library, Clarion Free Library. Since we are both part of the Clarion County system, we share many of the same databases. So now I'm going to click Next. Under Library Card, you'll just type in your library card number as it appears on the front of your library card. Under PIN, you will type in the last 4 digits of that library card once again. So now let's say I've already signed up for an account and I'm ready to get into Hoopla. I'll sign in right now. So one of the first things you notice under My Hoopla is how many titles you have left to borrow from Hoopla this month. If you have anything currently borrowed, you can see that right here. You can also see your borrowing history and see what books or other items you've checked out recently. Now, if I'm ready to search for something, I can go up here to the search bar. The starting search is under everything, but I can limit my search to audiobooks, movies, music, comic books, ebooks, and television. I can even search by the author or person involved, the category, which is like the genre, the publisher, or the series. If I want to search under kids things only, I can click kids, and that check mark will appear to let me know that everything I'm searching for is kids related. So let's do a search right now under everything. So what I've done right now is search for kids items under any format. If I want to get more specific, I can go over here and click Format and see which specific format I want to look at. I can look at user rating, and that will tell me how much a user has liked a particular item. Under release date and date added, I can see how recently the items I checked out have come out in. I can also look under language and change the language. Now, let's say that I want to just browse for something. I don't know what I'm looking for specifically, but I do have a specific genre or format in mind. So I'm going to go under Browse and find a category. Right now, I'll click on Comic Book. So now under Categories, I can look at specific genre. So let's say I'm going to click here on DC Golden Age. Now this gives me a specific category of things to look through. Once again, I can change the format, user rating, release date, date added, or language. Now if I'm ready to browse and I see an item I like, I can check it out. So let's click on one of these items. Now if I go under borrow, I can check it out. And I can go to borrow title. This will also let me know how long I have the book to check out for. This one is out for 21 days, or about 3 weeks. So now I will borrow the title. Now right away, under here, I can read it. That opens the ebook player, and I can read through this comic book. Now, there's a few other ways to check what I can currently read. Once again, I can go under My Hoopla, and I can find what I have currently borrowed. Now I can find and look at my currently borrowed books and open them once again. I can also see the favorites that I have listed and the history. So I can see everything I've had recently. Also, if you want to return a borrowed book early, just go under currently borrowed, select the book again, and click return now. Note that this will not change the number of instant borrows you have remaining for this month, but I can return it early if I want to. So that is how you explore and use Hoopla. If you have any other questions, please call or email the library and we will be happy to help. Thanks for watching.